Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today guys, I will show you something what I found in a Dollar Tree. There's a lot of stuff new here that you can alternate or use it to your Cricut machine also, and I found some interesting in it. They're only $1, so and there's a lot of crops here that you guys can use it or alternate. Well, that you don't need to buy expensive things for your activities or do something crafts like that. So yeah, they're so cute. So I think I'm gonna be here again a lot. I'm gonna be visiting a lot of the store again. See, and there's only $1. So this one you can use it for your Cricut also. See, like alternate, it has invoicing tool. See, there's a lot of crops here that you guys can use it. So anyhow, I just show you what I found in a Dollar Tree. So maybe you guys, somebody out there would like it. So anyhow guys, see you guys on my next vlog, and thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to share and like and subscribe to my channel, and it helps to grow my channel. Bye everyone.